friends, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog. Let me tell you, it is a finger glove kind of day. Brr, it is cold out there. But guess what, friends? I know a place that we can go and get warm together. And it's a good one. Now we've taken care of our errands, so we get to go have some fun. I love the seat warmers on bust. Anybody else out there? I mean, I'm pretty sure if they had a setting that just says cook, I would just put it on cook or roast, something like that. So I'm heading over to Wally World today. I'm over in this area, and quite honestly, I know it's a change of seasons. We're going from like especially the stores, they move even more quickly than us as regular people, that they get ready for the next season. And with that, they're always moving things that's out, even of the season that we're into right now, but it moves to clearance, it moves to discount. So I love going to Walmart to see what they have placed in their clearance section. You just never know what you're gonna find. I feel bargains in our future. And I see bargains in our future. Here we go with the seat warmers again, guys. We are back in the car, as you can tell, and I'm so glad we popped in. You just never know what you're going to find, and I found some really good stuff that I really needed. Like, for example, this is truly what I needed. You guys know that I made a recent move. I still have a part of my clothes into like containers that need to come out, so I got me 4 sets of plastic hangers in a really cool color, 18 of them for 50 cents. What can you buy for 50 cents? 18 hangers, apparently. Was that a good buy? Do you need hangers too? So you see what I'm saying? Did you see the selection of the plates that were there with the pumpkins on it? Super cool, orange, little teal pumpkins, beautiful. And even though the store is transitioning now over into Christmas, they're selling off the fall related items. Well, hello, we're still in fall. and I still have Thanksgiving in this new old house of ours. And I thought, you know what? I am going to go ahead and get a few nice new dishes that we can use for sides, and this will be the first Thanksgiving we're having in our new house. So I thought, why not, for $2.50, get myself, look at those pretty cream orange blue pumpkins. Why not get myself, there was only 2 there, so I grabbed the 2 that they have, $2.50 each, and I thought these were so cool. Maybe for side dishes, putting my corn, my green beans. What kind of spread you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know below if it's something good. I need to find some new recipes. In that selection, I also saw the platters that they have, and I do not have a platter at my house. Do not have a platter at my house. And so I thought, this is a really cool one, and it's dishwasher, microwavable safe. For $5, it was regularly $10, so half price. And again, just a beautiful, gorgeous, shabby gorgeous platter. So what do you think of that one as well? And what do you think I should serve on that one? Give a girl some ideas here. Okay, the next thing I got was that frame. Did you see it? It was regularly $15. The glass had broken out of it, so I'm sure somebody was in there. It fell over, it cracked, maybe in transit, or maybe somebody knocked it off the shelf. What we score because it has no glass, right? It's a 8x10 Better Homes and Gardens planks cream. Just a beautiful, wide picture frame. I love it. Can you guys see that up there? I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So I have an idea for here, even though it doesn't have a glass, that's totally okay. Stay tuned here in the vlog and I'll show you what we can do for what we can put in here. Because when I saw this, I'm like, ooh, I kind of like that farmhousey. I can see this vintage Christmassy. Oh yeah, I got plans and they're multiplying, so stay tuned to see what I do with the broken $5 frame. We got some dry erase markers because I needed some more of those. These are some really nice hefty ones for $1.50 for all of them, and I think they were regularly $5. So I got some of those. Who else likes to keep track of stuff you should be working on, things that you have to get to? Because there's a lot going on upstairs here, and you know what, trying to keep it all wrapped up and all sane. Yeah, some markers and a to-do list is a good thing. And the last thing I got from our mini haul here at Walmart, this was something that adjoined the clearance section. I could smell it. It was the candle section. The Christmas candles, they were putting them out, and such good smells. So I had to grab some of these because these are limited holiday special scented wax. So I can't wait to get home and try these. They're called Cookies for Santa, and there was only a couple of them left there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. It smells so yummy. I did not want, I'm not somebody who likes smells of trees and really things that are in your face. I do like sweet smells. I do like just very just low, mellow, but yet makes you feel warm and cozy. So Cookies for Santa, if you are out at Wally World, go take a sniff. Maybe you will love them as much as me as well. So I grabbed 2 because, like I said, there was only a couple left there. They were already picked over, and this is one of the holiday limited edition scents. So it made sense to get them. All right, and that concludes my little mini haul. I did see those paper towels when I was filming. Did you see those Bounty ones? And there was 2 rolls that were like 2 stuffed into 1 roll, which really was a pack of 4 rolls for $3.50. And by the time I put my camera down and I went to reach for them, I kid you not, a man came around the corner, looks at them, and puts 2 of them in his cart, and like, gosh darn it! Oh well, there's always another clearance section somewhere. Thank you guys for subscribing to my daily vlog and keeping me company over at Walmart today, our lovely Wally World. It is awesome to get out and just search the clearance section just to see if there's something that you could use in your life, and maybe you'll find something. Who knows? It's really hit or miss. But hopefully this vlog has been a winner for you guys today. Thank you for watching it, for hanging out with me. I will see you guys again tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow I'm heading out to do some more thrifting and junking. So if you love that sort of stuff, you're going to want to tune in. Come back tomorrow because I've got a big day planned out and about. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.